Good morning. Today we're going to work on core, about 10 minutes of core, and then a nice 5 to 6 minute stretch. Yoga mat, and I have one dumbbell. That's all you need. Let's get going. This would be a great finisher for a workout, or say you just want to move a little bit during the workday, this would be great. We're going to start in tabletop position. I'm going to move that dumbbell out of the way. Okay, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Just arch your back up. Little cat-cow. Always great to get that spine moving. And breathe. Doing any exercise, core, strength, cardio. Let's not hold your breath. Let's do 2 more like that. Here's 2. 1 more. Okay, come back to neutral. Extend that left leg. Now, I don't ever want that leg higher than your body. Extend your right arm. Hold it here and pretend your hand and foot are playing tug of war. Press up through that left hand so you're nice and tall. Now bring that hand to that knee and extend. Bring it in and extend. Breathe. In, extend. In. Let's do 2 more. Here's 2. Keeping that back nice and straight. Hold it here, but don't hold your breath. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Switch. Extend that right leg. Again, no higher than your body. Left arm, press through that right hand so you're nice and tall. Touch, and bring it out. In. Breathe it in. Keep it going. Slow and controlled. Never fast. Never doing any kind of strength work. Fast is for cardio only. Let's just do 1 more right here. Hold it, but don't hold your breath. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Fezzik, lots of pet photobombing today. Okay, let's do a side plank. If you have a bad wrist, let's go on your elbow. I'm gonna stay up on my wrist. Head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, nice straight line. Bring it up. Now, an option is to stay here. I'm gonna move up just a little bit. Second option is to bring that leg up. You can stay here. Third option, in, bring it out. If that's too much, you're staying here. It's your day, your workout, whatever is best for you. And breathe. You don't have to breathe as loud as I do, but I don't want your lips pursed. I want you to bring that oxygen to your muscles that are working so hard. Just 300 more, or 3. Here's 2. Come on down, shake it out a little bit. Let's switch sides. Form is everything. If your hand is out here, that's gonna put a lot of pressure on your shoulder. Let's keep everything in a nice straight line, please. Remember, option 1, right here. Option 2, straighten out that leg. Option 3, and extend. And if you find yourself sliding, look down at that hand. It should be right under that shoulder. Stay nice and slow and control. And breathe. Excellent work. Let's do 3 more. Not 300. I'm not gonna do tons of reps of anything. I don't think that's effective. 1 more. Come on down. I remember talking to a friend at the gym and he told me he did 500 sit-ups every day, and I said, you shouldn't be able to do 500 of anything. That doesn't seem very effective to me. Speaking of sit-ups, we are actually not sitting up, but teacher preview. Down, 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 up, up. I believe in huge range of motion. If it hurts your neck at all, please put 1 hand behind your neck. Arms straight down for 4. 4, 3, 2, maybe 5. Up, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 5. Down, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathe. Good work, good work. Down, 2, 3. Up, 2. I'm gonna do 2 more full ones. And breathe out. Hello, Coretastic, how are you? Up, 2. Actually, I have to go all the way back down to stay down. Did you love or hate that one? Okay, before we get to the dumbbell, I want you in a nice straight line as opposed to a mean bad line. No, straight line. I don't ever want your hand here. I always want your head, neck, spine in a straight line. So your hand's gonna be here, straight legs. Bring those legs up just a little bit off the ground. I know you can't see them, but your legs up just a little bit. And now give me a little pulse. So what are you focusing on right here? You can put your hand right here and feel what is working. That's it. Fezzik needs to do a little bit of these. He's got his primordial pouch going close to the ground, that stomach hangs. Come on, and breathe. 3, 2, hold it here, hold it here. It should be a little bit challenging. Don't bring that head up like I did, please. Legs up just a little bit more. You cannot lift them any higher and keep them together. Pulse right here. Last set for this side. We'll turn it over. 4 more, keep those legs together. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excuse me. Okay, straight line. Bring those legs up just a little bit. Little pulse right here. It's a really small movement, but again, if you put your hand right here, you can feel your obliques stabilizing your body. 4 more, just like that. 4, 3, 2, now hold it here. A little bit higher up. Pulse right here. No holding your breath, please. Keep it going. This is just a short core routine. 8. Come on, you got it. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. How are you doing? I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna shake it out a little bit. I'm gonna turn my mat so I'm all in frame. Gonna grab that dumbbell right now. Oh, that's so much better. Okay. It could be 5 pound, 8 pound, 10 pound. It depends on your strength level. Okay? Now, and if anything hurts your back, please leave one or both feet on the ground. We are going to start with dumbbell to your knees and extend away from each other. Here we go. Out, out, bring it in. Your head never leaves the mat. Bring it out, out, in. So we're out for 2, in for 2. If it hurts your back, leave 1 foot on the ground and just do 1 leg. Or you can angle your legs up towards the ceiling. Out, out, out. 4 more just like that. Here's 3. Here's 2. 1. Come down. You breathing? You starting to get a little sweaty? I am, unless you were sweaty to start with. You're gonna do that same thing. We're gonna bring both arms down and 1 leg at a time. Let's keep it 2 and 2. Ready? Here we go. Down for 2. Hello, amazing core work. How are you today? Out for 2. Out. And breathe, please. Try to press your back into the mat. And your foot is not tapping the ground. It's stopping a few inches up off the ground. We're gonna go 2 more times each way. These are 2 of my favorite exercises right here. And come on down. We're gonna repeat them both 1 more time each way. And then it's gonna be time for the stretch. Now remember, if it hurts your back, put 1 foot on the ground or angle your feet towards the ceiling. Ready? Here we go. Out for 2. Press out through those heels. Out. Excellent work. We have 4 more just like that. As we can. Here's 3. 2 more right here. 2. 1 more. Bring those legs up. 1 leg at a time. Ready? Here we go. Last one. Bring it out. Out. That's it. That's it. On the home stretch here. Out. If you do this workout, please comment. I love to know what you do and what you think of it. I love helping you move every day and feeling great in your own skin. 2 more like that. One more right here. Last one, here we go. Please put that weight to the side. Okay, it is time for the stretch. I'm gonna put some fluff music on. Hang on just for a second. I cannot stretch with this kind of music. I'm all about the fluffy music when I stretch. There's no better way to do that. I don't have anybody here to help me out. Okay, now let's bring your knees into your chest and gently roll side to side on your low back. And breathe. That was 10 straight minutes of really good core work. On your next pass, drop your knees to one side. Put that hand on those knees, press it to the ground. Extend your opposite arm to the ground and look the opposite way from your knees. Beautiful spinal stretch. And you never want to skip the stretch. Please, 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 your body needs that stretch after the work that you just did. Plus, it just feels good. Bring that up and over. I've had so many people over the years, don't forget to press down with your hand and look the opposite way, tell me that stretching hurt. It shouldn't hurt, it should feel good. And the more you do it, the better it's gonna feel, like anything else. And this is quick, this is like a 5-minute stretch, maybe 6. Okay, let's come back to the center. Leave one foot on the ground, one foot back in your hand. And you know what, let's just roll that toe around a little bit. Our ankles don't get enough love, mine included. Even though we just did core, you might have done something before this. Switch, running, walking. You might hear some snap, crackle, pop. That's just air out of your joints and ligaments, that's normal. Now flex that foot and bring that leg just a little bit back. You should feel this back in that hamstring. Hello, hamstring, it should feel so good. And breathe. If you need more help, if you are unable to reach your hands to your leg, a towel works great. You could put a towel around your ankle and then gently bring that towel back. That works really well. Drop that foot on your opposite knee. Thread those hands through and bring that back just a little bit. And breathe. This is glute-tastic, glute hip stretch. If you want to do this on the ground, it's pigeon in yoga. Either way is gonna target the same area. It's easier because we're on our backs just to go like this, but if you want to flip it around, please feel free. Bring that in just a little bit closer. It might be a little uncomfortable. I know it is for me. My glutes are a little bit sore, so this one of those ones that hurts so good. And let's drop that. Opposite foot comes in the air. Bring this back just until your legs, your hamstring says enough. And now let's round that toe a little bit. So make little circles. And go the other way. And now I want you to flex that foot and bring it back just a touch more, just to get that stretch a little bit deeper. Okay, let's drop that foot on your opposite knee, thread those hands through that leg, and bring that in just a little bit. Breathe through that. Wherever you feel it, try to breathe to where you feel it. Might be a different place on this side, your inner thigh. I feel it right now in my inner thigh more than my hip. Depending on what you've been doing for workouts, you might feel it in different places. That's totally fine. Now release that, roll yourself up. Sit up nice and tall. Bring those right fingertips to the ground. Tilt your head to the left. Oh, it's a beautiful stretch in that neck. And now bring that chin down to the center and switch. Left fingertips to the ground. And let's chin to the chest one more time. Press, bring those hands behind you, press those shoulders down and away. And now bring those arms up. And let's release, bring it out to the front. Take a great big deep breath up. And bring it out. We are gonna end with, I like to take a deep breath in. You're gonna bring your shoulders up as high as you can. Pause, you're gonna hold your breath, and then we're gonna let it drop. Feels amazing. Okay. Sitting up nice and tall. Ready? Great big deep breath up. And drop. How good does that feel? 2 more times. Great big deep breath up. And drop. One more time right here. Great big deep breath up. Hey, thank you so much for spending time with me today. Every minute you spend on yourself and health is worth it. Now go out and have a great